blue eyes hypnotize तेरी कर दी है मैनू I swear झूठी ड्रेस में बॉम्ब लग दी मैनू glossy lips और fake tricks baby लग दी है
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Today, we the students of 10th A are here to showcase a drama based on the golden days of our school life. School time is the most memorable and enjoyable part of our lives. It not only shapes our personality, but also forms our thoughts and opinions. We can never ever forget the musty and fun we do in our classroom. So let's peep into a typical classroom and see what's going on there. A scene before the assembly. Enters the principal, Jainin. Why are you so late today?
सर, झुंड में तो स्टूडेंट जाते हैं, शेर सिंह सिर्फ अकेला ही आता है सर।
Sher Singh, who is that?
Hi sir, sir.
Shut up, he rotates the ground 4 times.
Sir, rotate means this way?
Yes, this way, go.
Okay sir.
Yes, good morning all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Students, stand at ease. Attention. Why the students are not following my commands? What have you taught them? Sir. Sir. Children, Azad Bam. Dila Dhap. Azad Bam. See sir. Yes, good, keep it up. Children, let's start the prayer.
Oh, Master, thou art the real goal of human life. We are yet but slaves of wishes, putting God to our advancement. Thou art the only God in power to bring us up to that stage. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, students.
Children, today we will do some yoga exercise. No, not this. Some laughing exercise. Enough is enough. Today your uniform will be checked by the vice principal. Enters the vice principal, Goral.
Who is that? Jairaj, get up.
Show me your name. Show me your names. Can't you hear? I said show me your names. Oh, me. What is the reason for this nail paint?
Ma'am, actually, yesterday I went for a party and tonight also I have to go.
There's always party on your mind.
So what, ma'am?
What is this on your hair?
No, ma'am, it is not gel, it is parachute oil. Smell.
Why are your pants so short?
Ma'am, because I grew tall last night.
Oh, really? Buy a new one today. Where are your plates?
Oh, ma'am, you want my plates? They're in my kitchen.
Shut up and get your help plated from tomorrow. Show me your teeth. Yes, very good.
Assembly dispersed. Attention please. The SBPS Space School is on its way to planet Venus. So put on your gravitational boots. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! First period English. Enters the English teacher, Jinali.
It's not cool, you fool. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Open your books. Today we will do the revision of prepositions.
Miss,
Yes?
Miss, you are looking very pretty today.
Thank you, my child. Children, how many times I have to tell you that it is not pretty? If it was pretty, it would be P-R-I-T-T-Y. But it is pretty. That is P-R-E-T-T-Y. Understand?
Somewhat.
Tia, open the door of the window and let the air force come in.
Yeah, sure.
Jia, why are you in a yellow t-shirt today?
Hello.
Ma'am, actually, my white shirt was dirty, so I thought, let me wear this yellow one. And ma'am, hello, Shakespeare fellow. What nonsense. Now close the doors of the window. Today there is winter in my nose. Okay, ma'am. Quiet, boys. The principal just passed away in the corridor. So today there should be minimum talking in the class.
Teacher,
Yes?
can you please tell me?
Can you please tell me the spelling of minimum? Dimple? It's very simple. It's yum-I-N-I-M-U-M.
Teacher, what is this M-I-N-I?
Yum-U-M. Minimum. Understand? Okay, students. Now can you spell for me maximum?
M-A-X-I-M-U-M.
Yes, boy. Can't you pay a little attention?
Yes, ma'am. I am paying as little attention I can.
Come in front. Okay, now translate this sentence in English. उसने अपना काम किया और करता गया.
He done his work and then done.
Oh my God, what a notorious class. Tomorrow there will be test of conjunction, so be prepared.
Second period computer. Enters the computer teacher, Shivani.
Sweet as sugar and everything sweet. I wanna be everything at once.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hey, you, what are you doing?
Ma'am, I am doing my homework.
What do you mean?
Ma'am, homework means moving around the house, including mopping and washing dishes.
What? Shut up. Keep all your books aside and pay attention. Students, today we are going to learn about internet. You tell, what is internet? It is the reason we are failing our classes. What? Start doing 5 sit-ups. Students, why are you smiling?
मैम, बहुत दिनों से फेसबुक पे अकाउंट बनाने की इच्छा थी, आज बना लिया, बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
ज्यादा मजा लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Tell me, what is a post?
Anything that is posted on Facebook is a post, ma'am.
Can you please elaborate?
मैम जो भी लोग फेसबुक पे डालते हैं पोस्ट है. घूमने गया फोटो डाल दिया पोस्ट है. मैच देखा स्कोर डाल दिया पोस्ट है. मैम एक्चुअली हम पोस्ट से घिरे हुए हैं. कैटरीना के पिक से रोनाल्डो की किक तक सब पोस्ट ही तो है मैम. 1 सेकंड में कमेंट, 1 सेकंड में लाइक, कमेंट लाइक, कमेंट लाइक.
Shut up. अकाउंट बना के ये करोगे? Comment like, comment like. Is this the way to sit in the class? Sit down. चतुर, तुम बताओ.
Pictures, text or videos posted through mobile or laptop or desktop or tablet via different operating systems using internet on Facebook is called a post.
Excellent.
पर मैम मैंने भी तो वही बोला था सीधे शब्दों में.
सीधे शब्दों में करना हो तो और को क्या डेटा के पेजेस पे अकाउंट बना लो.
पर मैम दूसरे साइट्स भी तो.
गेट आउट.
वाई मैम?
सीधे शब्दों में बाहर जाइए. स्टूडेंट्स, वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट पोस्ट. क्या हुआ?
कुछ भूल गया था मैम.
क्या?
A utility button given to us to protect our private data, that is picture, messages or videos from being stolen or used for any bad purposes by hackers.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
लॉग आउट मैम, लॉग आउट करना भूल गया था.
तो सीधे सीधे नहीं बोल सकते थे?
थोड़ी देर पहले ट्राई किया था लेकिन आपको पसंद नहीं आया.
Shut up and sit down.
थैंक यू मैम.
Students, tomorrow read chapter 5 and come and ask if you have any doubts.
Third period dance. Enters the dance teacher Naveen.
Students? Good morning, sir. Students, are you ready to rock the floor? Yes, sir. Not this.
Like this. Hello.
No, you sit down. Moses, just come in front. Show me the dance step I taught you last time. Well, sit down. Akash, just come up. Show me the dance step, ready? Yes, sir. Be careful. Sit down. You need practice. Yes, sir. Okay, students, stand up now. Now follow what I am doing. Where are the students? Let me go to the principal.
Recess.
Yesterday I was cooking brinjal and when I added hara dhania to it, guess what happened?
I don't know.
I'll tell you. The brinjal started to sing and dance and sing. हमसे ये किसने हरा रंग डाला?
Fourth period social studies. Which period is this?
सोशल स्टडीज.
Oh no.
अबे कौन से गड़े मूर्ति उखाड़ने? बस किया है. हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी बड़ी बेवफा. हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी बड़ी बेवफा. रात भर पढ़े सवेरे सफा.
जो की थी लड़ाई तो मैं क्या करूं?
फायदा हो या नुकसान तो मैं क्या करूं?
Enters the social teacher Anushka.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today I'm going to take your oral test.
Oh no.
Hey, you, what are you doing? Sit properly. Are you new to the class? What is your name?
Yes, ma'am, I am new. Ayyar, Venugopal Ayyar. Muthuswami Venugopal Ayyar. Chittaswami Muthuswami Venugopal Ayyar. Perumbadam Chittaswami Muthuswami Venugopal Ayyar.
Okay, here. I didn't ask your forefather's name. Okay, the first question. What is the importance of 2nd October in our history? Yes, you?
It's Dad's birthday.
Whose dad's birthday?
मैम डैड बोले तो बापू, आखे इंडिया का बापू, बोले तो महात्मा गांधी का बर्थडे।
Excellent. The second question. दिल्ली में कुतुब मीनार कहाँ है? अरे टिंकू, why are you sleeping? Tell me, what did I just say?
मैम दिल्ली में कुत्ता बीमार है।
What?
मैम दिल्ली में कुत्ता बीमार है।
What nonsense! Go and wash your face and pay attention next time.
सॉरी मैम।
The third question. Who is a politician? Yes, you?
It's simple, ma'am. One who shakes your hand before elections and then your confidence afterwards.
What are you saying? Come in front. Have I taught you this?
Yes, ma'am.
Go and pick up a milkshake and jump 5 times. Now you tell me, what are the people of Turkey called?
Ma'am, I don't know.
I'll tell you, they are called Turks. Now tell me, what are the people of Germany called?
Ma'am, I know.
What?
They are called Germs. Germs.
What nonsense! Go and kneel down on your knees right now.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, sit down. Now let's move on to economics. Okay, the first question. What is inflation? Ma'am, we know. All of you? Yes, ma'am. Okay, tell.
Petrol price up, ration price भी up, life हो गई ठप, why is government चुप? Why this महंगाई जी? Why this महंगाई जी? White color milk price black, all people hungry, country future dark. Why this महंगाई जी?
Great song. Sit down. Next question. What is direct marketing? Yes, you?
You see a gorgeous girl in a party. You go up to her and say, I am very rich, marry me. That is direct marketing.
Have I taught you this? Have you left your brain at home? Sit down. Now the last question. What is customer feedback?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes?
Ma'am, you go to a party, you see a gorgeous girl, you go up to her and say, I am very rich, marry me. She gives you a slap on your face. That is customer feedback.
And this is economic feedback. Sit down. What a strange class. Tomorrow we'll start a new chapter.
Fifth period Hindi. Enters the Hindi teacher, Margi.
नमस्ते बच्चों.
नमस्ते अध्यापिका जी.
आज हम पिछली क्लास का रिवाइजन कराऊंगी.
क्या करवाओगे?
हाँ वही. हाँ, आज मुझे कौन बताएगा गब्बर सिंह का चरित्र चित्रण? हाँ, तुम बताओ. सादा जीवन, उच्च विचार. उसके जीने का ढंग बड़ा सरल था. पुराने और मैले कपड़े, बड़ी हुई दाढ़ी और पहाड़ों में खाना बदोश जीवन. ऐसा लगता था मानो मध्यकालीन भारत का फकीर हो और जीवन में अपने लक्ष्य की ओर इतना समर्पित कि आशो आराम और विलासता के लिए एक पल भी फुर्सत नहीं. वह अपने लक्ष्य की ओर एकदम समर्पित था और विचारों में उत्कृष्टता के क्या कहने. जो डर गया तो मर गया जैसे संवादों से उसने जीवन की चंग भंगुरता पर प्रकाश डाला था.
उसने भिक्षुक जीवन व्यतीत करते हुए हिंदू धर्म द्वारा दिखाए गए जीवन के रास्ते को अपनाया था। रामपुर, रामगढ़ और अन्य गांवों से उसे जो भी रूखा कच्चा खाना मिलता था वो उसी से अपनी गुजर बसर करता था। बिरयानी या चिकन मलाई टिक्का की उसने कभी इच्छा जाहिर नहीं की थी।
और सामाजिक कार्य व डकैती के अलावा बच्चों को सुलाने का भी काम किया करता था।
वो कैसे?
अध्यापिका जी, आपने नहीं सुना? जब दूर दूर गांव में बच्चे रोते थे तो उनकी माँ उनसे कहती थी, बेटा चुप हो जाओ वरना गब्बर सिंह आ जाएगा।
बहुत अच्छे बच्चों, अपनी अपनी किताबें कड्डो। आज मैं आपको दोहे पढ़ाऊंगी। अरे अरे ये झटके क्यों लग रहे हैं?
टीचर जी, आपने अपने गुरुत्वाकर्षण जूते नहीं पहने होंगे।
वो चमकते थोड़ी है, मैंने नहीं पहनना। हाँ, दोहे। काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, काल करे सो आज कर।
जी तो कल क्या करेंगे?
ओए चुप कर उल्लू दा पट्ठा।
टीचर जी मैं तो अपने बेहुदा पट्टा हूँ।
हम जब बच्चे थे तो बहुत लायक थे।
अध्यापिका जी, आपको उस्ताद भी तो काबिल मिले होंगे।
ऐवे ही बोलता रहता है, बैठ जा। हाँ, कबीरदास जी के कहने का मतलब है।
मैम, हु इज दिस कबीरदास?
हाय, तुझे पता नहीं? अच्छा, तुझसे दसो। He must be the brother of Adidas, कबीरदास, Adidas, कबीरदास, Adidas। हाय ये बच्चे, अच्छा ये सब छड्डो। तुसी मैनू ये दसो कि तुम बड़े होके क्या करोगे? टीचर जी, मैं बड़े होके शादी करूंगा। अरे क्या बनोगे? टीचर जी, दूल्हा बनूंगा। मेरा मतलब है क्या हासिल करोगे? दुल्हन। अबे तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा को क्या दोगे? बहू। तुम्हें समझ में आता है कि नहीं? तुम्हारे पापा तुमसे क्या चाहते हैं? पोते। हे भगवान, तुम्हारे जीवन का मकसद क्या है? हम दो, हमारे दो। अरे लड़का, अरे तुझे पता भी है शादी का मतलब क्या होता है? हाँ, it is an agreement in which man loses his bachelor's degree but woman gains her master's degree. बच्चों, मैंने तुम्हें कितनी बार समझाया है इन हिंदी क्लासेस, talk always in हिंदी।
Sixth period maths. Enters the maths teacher, Nirali.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
All of you open up your books. Hey Jia, where is your book?
Ma'am, it is studying at home.
What do you mean?
Ma'am, you don't know? Studying is an act of texting, eating and watching TV both with open textbooks nearby.
What nonsense. Now share the problems from your friend's book.
But ma'am, her book have got its own problems.
Just shut up. Children, do you have any doubts regarding different types of numbers? Yes?
What is roaming number?
It is... Okay, then you tell me.
Ma'am, it is a number that cannot keep still.
What nonsense. Unlike others, your brain is a masterpiece.
Hi, ma'am.
Because in the left half nothing is right and in the right half nothing is left.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, now sit down. Now today I am gonna teach you Pythagoras theorem. Don't talk in front of my back. All of you stand in a straight circle and raise your hands.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay, and better take care next time. Now children, tell me what is the cube of 13?
Ma'am, 30 or 13?
Okay, I say 13.
Teacher, I have not got my test marks. I was absent yesterday.
Okay, I will give you tomorrow. Now, where was I? Oh, 13. Tell me what is the cube of 13?
Ma'am, it's 13 or 30.
Oh my God. अच्छा, 13 into 13 into 13. Ma'am, surur. What? Haven't you heard? Tera 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 surur. What silly answers? Now tomorrow I will conduct the test on calculus.
તમારે પરાથી પાયથાગોરસ or test calculus message?
Yes, you deserve it.
Exam time.
तुझे देख देख सोना तुझे देख देख सोना तुझे देख कर है जगना मैंने ये जिंदगानी संग तेरे बितानी तुझ में बसी है मेरी जान हाय जिया धड़क धड़क जिया धड़क धड़क जिया धड़क धड़क जाए।
अरे शेर सिंह, तू मेरी मदद करना, मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा अभी, और तू ही मेरा पक्का दोस्त है, मेरी मदद करेगा ना यार? अरे हाँ हाँ, मैं हूं ना यार।
Oh, I am so scared. I have forgotten all the answers. And then you will get the best marks. Sit down.
Good morning, students. Students, write your roll number, examination number and candidate's name clearly. Now take your papers.
Oh my God, so many questions.
ही कंफ्यूजन है सॉल्यूशन कुछ पता नहीं सॉल्यूशन जो मिला था सारा क्वेश्चन क्या था पता नहीं जो
Sir, question 3 is out of portion. Wait, I will talk to the principal.
ए सर्किट को फोन लगा जल्दी।
हेलो सर्किट, क्वेश्चन 10 का आंसर तो बता। हाँ हाँ, थैंक यू।
अरे क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 का आंसर दिखा। Why principal is rotating the school?
नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है
Children, now time is up. I am taking your papers. Give your papers. No, no, give. Give your papers.
So just a minute,
Hey, don't copy. Give your papers. Give your papers.
Hey friends, exam's over. Where's the party tonight?
Where's the party tonight?
Your attention please. Due to some technical reasons, SBPS Space School cannot be landed on the earth at the moment. nothing to worry about. We are continuously in touch with people on the earth.
Blue eyes hypnotize तेरी कर दी है मैनू I swear झूठी ड्रेस में बॉम्ब लग दी मैनू Glossy lips, oh fake tricks baby लग दी है killer Oh yeah कत्ल करे तेरा बॉम्ब फिगर Blue eyes hypnotize तेरी कर दी है मैनू I swear झूठी ड्रेस में बॉम्ब लग दी मैनू बॉम्ब लग दी मैनू बॉम्ब लग दी मैनू
मेरी आंखों में देखा कर जब मैं बात करता हूँ मैं वो लौंडा नहीं हूँ जो तेरे साथ पढ़ता हूँ वाइट गिनी लाया हूँ तुझे पिक कर लूँ देख लूंगा आशिकों तेरी टीचर लूँ लेके चलूँ राइट पे फिर छत खोल के सीधी बात करूँ ना करूँ बोल मोल के tonight I gotta hold you tight आज होगी लेट फोन करके घर पे बोल दे
hypnotize तेरी कर दी है मैनू I swear झूठी ड्रेस में बॉम्ब लग दी मैनू Glossy lips, oh fake tricks baby लग दी है killer Oh yeah कत्ल करे तेरा बॉम्ब फिगर
चलना है या पहले जाएगी क्लब नहीं मेरा मतलब घर के क्लब